J Mad Show vlog. Second one. Out here with the guys. Reg's birthday. He back there.
What's cracking?
About to go to the gun range.
Happening.
First time, no, I ain't never been. What y'all trying to shoot though?
Shoot them handguns. That's what I'm trying to shoot.
Some big shit.
No,
I wanna.
940 or 40.
I think I'm about to test out an AR, man.
You want to shoot an AR today?
Yeah.
Straight over. Smokehouse beats.
First off, I want to shoot my shit because I ain't even shot my gun yet.
That's what you need to shoot the most, motherfucker.
I want to shoot my shit.
that.
The wrong shit.
No, but I want to get it AR though. So that's why I want.
Yeah. After that, I was wondering. I don't know what you got. I don't shit.
Yeah, I'm about to.
What you got?
9. I just that boy never been shot. I be like, I told Shirley, I'm like, I want to shoot my.
Right.
I
New
just
Year's
got it.
or nothing?
I got it.
It ain't been through New Year's?
No, I just got it about maybe like 2 months ago. Man, we in the rain. Law next step. See what it do. Birthday boy got ahead of it. Start learning. He think you did it. These for sale? Any of these for sale?
Any of these?
Well, any guns like?
Yeah, everything from here on over is for sale.
Okay, all right. I like that. Don't put us in it.
That was one shot.
He said we.
It was wrong. See? Well,
Happy birthday, right?
See, it is his birthday, right?
Happy birthday.
Trying to get used to my little pop. You know, body, top, body, top. I hit it once. See? Body, book. I missed it.
Yeah, but no, that was what I was telling them. The main thing is you could just put that target on
True.
on the tape. So.
True.
Yeah, you would have been all good.
This is your target, right?
You had two.
Your favorite target? I'm gonna keep that one.
I did that one too. I missed.
See, that's what the game would have been.
All I know is this me right here.
You know what I'm saying?
Look at the symmetry straight up. Oh my goodness.
Right. I know how that goes.
Big brother stuff like that.
You got kids?
One.
Yeah. Same thing. Yeah, let's go for your birthday. Okay. Where you want to go? Where you want to go, Dad? I like this. Okay, let's go there. Get some good footage.
Yeah.
Be able to zoom in on the target at all?
Yep.
In the rounds or anything?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. Next time I'll probably get a little bit. Once we got an hour worth, I'll probably get some more. A little bit better.
Who's the best shot?
Hard to tell.
Not his.
That was
We
a
just
good
know
one.
who's the worst, for sure.
We know who got to pay a fine. That's about it.
They got jokes.
Happy birthday. All right, you guys.
All right,
stay
take it
safe.
easy,
Thanks
man.
for coming out. Come out again.
Thank you, sir.
The old school Lincoln over there. Bitch over there hiding.
Hey, we vlogging into the night too, Reg. We all day with this one.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
We vlogging all day.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Hey, he gave you a discount on the fine though. That was love.
He didn't charge me.
I thought he just charged you 30.
He didn't charge me.
Ain't charge you?
Yeah, that shit was supposed to be
See,
50.
I was trying to.
No.
I ain't shot in so long, so I was trying to do, the first time I did the double tap body headshot, I was way high.
You trying to do the strategic
Yeah.
shit. You trying to do
way high.
the police training. That's the academy shit you was trying to do.
Unlock that door for me, Law.
Oh, yeah, my bad.
Hey, it feel good out here too.
Now, let me take this.
Oh, unlock the door.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Gotta find it.
Unlock it.
Stay over tight there. They don't let you lock it in. That ain't possible. The door won't lock.
And he put this in your trunk. Foam it out today. Infrared out today.
I didn't even see them. Look at you with the phone.
Come on, y'all.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Back at it. New car. I ain't driving. Bro driving.
It's cracking.
The range was a success.
What's happening?
The range was a success. I think I had the best shot. I mean, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna just do a close up I'm gonna highlight it. I'm thinking I'm gonna put a circle around it. You know what I'm saying?
You do have it on camera.
And I think I'm gonna do it by measuring.
You do have different shots of the target. Like after you shot and then after I shot. And then after
Was it close-ups though?
I don't know. Maybe you can blow it up. Who knows?
Oh, I'm gonna blow it up. I'm gonna make sure you see it. I'm gonna make sure you see it. I'm hanging in the basement too. Over here about to go in Big Bro house, man. Kick it a little bit for his B-Day. I guess he got some people about to come over. Vlog continues. J Matt Show.
Sure it was diamonds? I'm just saying I don't want to lose my book.
are we gonna call out
Because
the
you
book?
ain't sure.
Yeah, she
Call
just
it out.
she just put an ace on top of my spade. I cut him out and
I
she
put
cut me
the-
out.
She led with a spade.
She put the ace of
I mean, she
spade.
laid-
She put an ace of spade on top of
A diamond?
My-
Queen of spades.
yeah, and diamonds led last.
I thought it was hearts that left.
Ooh, let's flip it and see, because I want to know
which
now.
book?
This is tea.
Which
Yeah, I
book?
want to know too.
It's the last book they made. Which is the
Let
last
me
book,
see,
Justin?
'cause
Which
I'm
is the last
curious.
The one right here. The last
This
book
one?
right there, yeah.
This one or is it this one?
No, the one you just pointed to
This
right there.
one?
Yeah.
If
sure?
If it's real, I'm
Play
about
this
to.
shit. Play
Hey, I didn't even want you to do it because I knew he was right. I didn't want to call you out, and you my partner.
Enough is enough.
But I seen that shit.
What the fuck?
I told you this nigga be on it,
Enough
Red.
is enough. Give me my other
This nigga
book.
be on it, Red.
All right, all right.
He might have been drinking a lot, but this nigga be on the spade.
Now you ain't gonna. She put a whole ace of spades on top of my shit. That's a bitch, please. You gotta be kidding me. And you had the nerve, and you had the motherfucking nerve to come out the very next hand. Yeah.
You trying to get my bag?
I really didn't mean to.
You, she led with it. So
You
that
thought you
she
was gonna get
led
away with it.
it.
That's what it was.
Hey, she tried it though. You tried it though.
She definitely
Yeah,
tried.
and for you not to catch it, what the fuck?
I didn't
He was
see
biting.
the last part.
Yeah,
You just
partner.
trying to
I just knew he won.
Save face for later. What the fuck going on?
For later.
I got 3 against 1.
Damn.
Ain't that a bitch?
Damn.
Y'all trying to teach her on me.
Is it pizza you? Damn, that would be nice.
What was that, Bob? Almost an hour?
It's definitely been
Jets.
Jets.
Cuz
That should be good as fuck, 'cause it'd be worth it though.
good, bro.
Yep.
Looking healthy than the motherfucker.
Jay Gray, what that mean on your shirt?
Gray Management, my consulting company.
Niggas looking healthy as fuck.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Launching in December.
December
Yeah.
2020,
2020.
coming soon.
Yes, sir.
Let me zoom in on that one time. There we go.
Trying to play that. Trying to play that.
Okay, okay, okay. I like that.
He
I
has
was trying to play
Jenga.
some Jenga with some.
What type of just business consulting?
Business
Oh.
consultant. Do strategy, Lean Six
Are you
Sigma,
playing?
leadership
'Cause I know you're
development,
sleeping.
a couple
No,
different
I'm
things.
playing.
I know your ass. What? Yeah, you gonna have to explain to me what them karate belts mean in engineering, man. I didn't know that. Like, how you get karate belts in engineering?
It's just, they resemble karate, but it's just different levels. Start
Like-
with white belt, yellow belt, green belt, black belt, and master black belt.
So what each level mean? Like,
It's a higher
So-
level. You get more involved in statistics.
so you be just learning more, more
It's
like
more information.
more
You
and
build
more
off the
information.
previous one. And then once you get to the master level, you know it all. You know all the soft skills, you know the leadership skills,
Yes,
everything.
don't unplug mine.
That shit sound dope as fuck. Like some sensei shit. Like some monk. Like nigga, you got to go to the temple to get to this shit. That's dope though.
But the ceiling fan have a
Little bitty dog, like a little bitty dog. Come like if she babysits.
Oh, you about to knock that thing up? Look. Let's see. I know you don't. I know you don't.
Hey.
Yeah, he like, I don't get shit.
Fucked up, Regis.
I know it is. That's life, man. They ain't out here. Ain't about to fuck it up.
Oh, why you
I know
know?
Uno though. Ooh, shit, don't fucking me.
I'm sick of white people saying we need to use our privilege to protect the black people. That's not changing the system. All you're basically saying is we still need y'all to live. We can't just live unless y'all form a line in front of us.
Where did that come from?
No,
Somebody just posted. I just saw a post on Instagram.
he just wanted to say
and the
something real
chick,
quick.
the chick had a sign that said, "White people, it's on us."
It's on like to save us.
Yeah. So the good white folks got to save us from the bad white folks. We still, in their eyes, we're still dependent children that they getting a tax return on.
They have never wanted us to be free as slaves.
Bruh.
Ever. That's why I was never the plan.
But do you rather them say that than not say nothing?
No, I'd rather they be the ones that step up and just slap
That's-
the shit out of somebody.
Yeah.
Don't just form a line in front of us. Be the ones that actually fight the battle.
Ain't shit,
They was
man.
fighting today.
Yeah, they was.
They was fighting today.
Yeah, they was.
They fighting right
For
now.
shit to get radical, it's gonna be. You gotta
You're
understand.
making me nervous with your fingers.
It's gonna be radical on both sides.
Bruh, I agree with that. But I'm saying the
So that's a
mindset
civil
of.
war.
But I'm saying the
That's a
mindset
civil
of.
war.
The mindset of. Not change the law, not change the laws, not get rid of gerrymandering, not get rid of redlining. Let's just stand in front of them. Is what I'm saying. It ain't that's not change. That's status quo. But let's just make sure that you know what I'm saying.
No, I hear you, but that's better than nothing.
Woo!
That's better than that.
Hey, look, check this.
It's progress.
Check this. Kyrie Irving was better than Deion Waiters, but without Deion, we still ain't make the playoffs. All right, you could have took him off the team.
10 years ago,
We
he
could have
was
took him
gonna
off
say
the
that.
team. We
Oh.
still ain't gonna make the playoffs. Just because something is better, don't mean it's worthy.
Say that then. Say that then.